What's the meaning of Bristol? Bristol. Bristol.
Bristol. Bristol. Bristol is a city located in the southwest of England. The name Bristol is believed to come from the Old English words brycg and stow, which mean bridge place. This reflects the city's historical roots as a major port and trading center, which relied on its bridges for transportation and commerce. Today, Bristol is known for its vibrant arts and music scene, historic landmarks, and innovative contributions to science and technology. It is also home to several prestigious universities and a thriving business community. Overall, Bristol is a dynamic and diverse city with a rich cultural heritage and a bright future.